Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this moving out series. And today I am tackling my closet, specifically everything that is on hangers, because I still have a load of clothes that needs to be washed, but for now it's just dealing with everything that is on hangers. So the way that I'm doing this is by doing it the KonMari method, and that's just by taking everything that is hanging out and laying it out on my bed, and then from there starting to get each item and see if it brings some sort of joy or not, and then just releasing the items that I just don't necessarily use anymore, or that they don't fit, or they just don't serve me any purpose anymore, because as a mother there's a lot of things that I can't use anymore that are not easy breastfeeding accessible, and just clothes that's just been sitting there for a while that I just don't seem to use it. Maybe that clothes will benefit somebody else, but for me, for right now, I just need to be able to let go and declutter my closets. I have been doing this method pretty much since, I think, every time I move. I have moved several times. Ever since I was 18, I've been moving around a lot, and constantly moving from place to place. And every time I move, I used to just drag all my stuff with me, and I realized that I would have an overload of clothes that I would just never really use, and it was really hard for me to let go at first. Through the past couple of years, I've been able to let go a lot easier, and then it's a lot, I guess once you get the hang of it, it becomes easier, and it's all about what's behind it. Just being able to let go of items that just don't necessarily serve you any purpose, and just to get less items. I always feel like I feel much happier, much content with myself when I have less items, and I have lived throughout my life having minimal items, but for some reason my closet is the place where I will fill up with a lot of items. As I was doing this, my intention was to get everything out and then just keep things on hangers for it to be easier to just move in and hang them. But then I realized it would be better for me to pack it. And I'll show you guys later when I start packing it back into the box. And I find that it might be an easier way for me to do this therefore when I get to my new apartment, I have another chance to go through this box of clothes and let go of even more items that might have gone through this process, and that I feel like those items that I was just iffy about at first and I still kept them, then maybe whenever I'm unpacking again and packing into the new apartment, I will be able to let go of those items as I go through it again. So it's like doing a declutter 2 to 3 times by doing this process today. So I'll leave you guys with that. I hope this helped you guys in any way by decluttering your closet, or if you're moving as well. And then you'll see my son picking up from my habits of decluttering and cluttering. He starts to do his own little KonMari method. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, I hope you subscribe to my channel and stick around for more. I'll be having more videos like this coming up, so just leave me any comments down below. What is the best way for you to declutter specific items in your closet? Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.
This box is donation stuff. All this. It's all donation.